Hey folks, Dan from Precision Mobile Auto Detailing here. Wanted to do a little demonstration of what happens when we polish your vehicle. And what we got here is a visual representation of the layers on your paint or on your car. And you got the primer, which is your first layer right here. You got your paint, which is your color, and then you have your clear coat. Now this isn't, you got to keep in mind too, this isn't exactly an exact representation of the thickness of your paint on your car. It's actually probably, it's a fraction of what this knife blade is. So what happens when you have your car? You go park in a parking lot, somebody parks next to you, gets out, scratches your car. Kids come along, your kids playing around the car, put a scratch into it. You clean something off the vehicle with a microfiber towel with no kind of lubrication or anything, a couple more scratches in it. You go do a touchless wash or a tunnel wash. And then maybe later on you take it and you do a touchless wash. Yes, both do scratch your paint. They both use, especially the recycle or the touchless wash. They use recycled water and basically just acts as a sandblaster against your vehicle's paint. So you got all these scratches and marring on the vehicle. What can you do? Can we fix it? Yeah, we can fix it. So what we're going to do is we polish the paint. So there you go. Polished the paint, took all those scratches off. Now what ends up happening is, say you go out again, you get a couple deep scratches or something. Maybe you're at a friend's house that's got a couple trees lining his driveway or something, or bushes, and you rub up against those bushes and you put some deeper scratches into it. So you have me polish the paint again. Maybe this time we do a two-step correction, which means we're going to effectively polish the paint twice. There you go. Now at this point, we've effectively removed half of your protection on your vehicle. Now you're getting into danger zone. And polishing is not something that you do once a year, twice a year, as a maintenance on your vehicle. It's not something you should be doing all the time. You can't do this indefinitely. As you can see, we've already gotten down to at least half of our clear coat is gone. So what ends up happening, and again, maybe you go to that friend's house again and get a couple more deep scratches in your paint. So come back. And we polish that paint again. You don't want any protection, just want it polished. Now you're definitely in trouble. So what do we do? What can we do to protect this so we don't have to keep doing this and keep pulling layers of your clear coat off your vehicle? What we can do is add another layer of protection. More of a sacrificial layer of protection if you want. So you put a ceramic coating on there. Now you go back to that same friend's house again. You rub up against that bush. But now, and then you go and wash it. wipe something off of it. But now, because that ceramic coating is harder than the clear coat, the scratches won't go as deep. So then what we can do and now we still have protection. We have some form of protection now for that paint layer. Now what happens if we don't do that? You go someplace else. Go into another park, go into a parking lot someplace, your shopping cart. Scratches your vehicle. Now if you can see, that's gotten down into the paint. There's no turning back now. So it's not repairable. You're going to be taking it to a body shop to fix it now. So that's pretty much how it goes, is that every time you're polishing, you're effectively removing a layer of this clear coat, and you're removing any type of protection that you have on that vehicle. The only way to stop that from happening, add a clear coat, add a ceramic coating, put a protective layer, a sacrificial layer that's going to protect that clear coat, so you're always going to have that. This can't be replenished. You can't come back. You can't bring this all back. Once you polish it off, that's it. It's either that or spending thousands of dollars to take it back to a body shop to have them respray your car. So, I hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can check out the website at precisionmobileautodetailing.com. You can email me at info@mobilefinish.com, or you can send me a text or give me a call at 716-316-7072. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.